Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your RAZER Opus X. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button on your right ear cup, and actually on the right ear cup we have all controls. We haven't it at the left one. So press one time on it and I just pause the song, press again and you will play a song. To increase the volume, use volume up button what have a plus icon here, so you press on it, or you can press and hold and you will quickest increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button what have a minus icon here, and again press or press and hold and you will lower it. To play a next track, you should press 2 times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2, and we have it. To play previous track, you need to press 3 times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's make it quickest. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, as you can see, it worked. Also, what we can do. So let me open the application to show it for you. And right here we have a power button. And you can turn off or turn on your headphones by pressing hold on it, but you can also enable ANC or transparency mode, or turn off all of these modes. So right here we have active noise cancellation. Now it's turned off. Let me turn off it. So if you press one time on it, you will turn on firstly ANC. As you can see, I just enable it. And if you press again, you will enable transparency mode. It's called ambient right here. And if you press the last time, the third one, you will turn off these mods. And also we have multifunctional button and we can enable or disable game mode. So just press and hold on it. And right here you will see that I turn on it. So you can also turn off it by pressing hold again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!